cash. Sat down at the 10-cent denomination machine. Put in $100 and we got a bonus. Let's land something. Land something exciting, baby. Come on. Come on. Full screen or something. Come on, let's get in Lightning Link. Let's get linked up. Let's get linked up to one of those ones. Yeah, there we go. That's $5 each. All right, give me some letters. Come on. Come on, land a green one. Give me that major. Give me that major. That's a loud ass machine right here. Come on. Last spin. Alright. 3 games to go. Look at that. From 50 grand. We take 50 grand. Alright, 2 more games. Come on. Two more. Oh, come on. Alright. $122. There's that little 24X. A couple spins here. Alright, Dragon Riches, 10-cent denomination. We got $125 in the corner. Oh, that's $500. That's a mini for $500. Come on, we want that big number. Hey, I'll settle for a mini. Damn. That's $50. Holy shit. I will settle for a mini. I'll land that mini somewhere. Or $1.25. That is amazing. Man. Look at that. $787. Dragon Riches. Lightning Link. Dragon's Riches. 4 symbol. 250 bet. We just won 4 freaking dragons, baby. Come on, 4 dragons. Except for when the damn balls come out. Do it! Oh, we got the damn money tree. We needed that last dragon. One more spin. Dragon's Riches. We got Lightning Link, Dragon's Riches. 25 lines, 10 cent denomination. 4 dragons. We want 4 dragons. Oh, that's not cool. Yo, what was that? No! Last spin. Dragon. That was horrible. Lightning Link, Dragon Riches. Look at that on the final free game. 250 bet, dime denomination, 25 lines. $15 a line for the 10s and $15 for the lion, $250 for the 10. $275 hit. One hit wonder. Oh. All right. Lightning Link, Dragon's Riches.